Today we're going to talk about neem oil. Is it effective? So you can see Orajona, this young cutting. It's been a busy week, and the last couple weeks the Argentine ants have been trying to eat this like crazy. So I just sprayed some neem oil to get rid of them there, but you could just see how destructive the Argentine ants are. So I'm working on trying some better solutions, baits. I've been using that. There are baits around here, so it doesn't really matter. Bait stations aren't working. And I'm using more diatomaceous earth, food grade, organic. I don't know if it's organic, but it's food grade diatomaceous earth, so I'm using that as well. But Argentine ants are very destructive. So right now, if I see that going on, I spray neem oil almost daily, I hate to say, on any new growth. So there's the triple in action neem oil. You need to bind it with some type of dish soap. That's what I use, and I mix it into a spray bottle like this. And I just mixed it up. It will separate really quickly, so make sure you give it a good shake. So David Bowie has had a rough week here, and you can see right away the damage the ants did. You can see the dead ants there. So I just noticed El Grelo down here has some new buds breaking through. Looks like flower buds, so let's go see. And I'll show you why, especially young buds, the Argentine ants like to target and attack. So let's see, I saw a new shoot grow down here, it looks like. So I see some ants there. Do you? Seem to constantly be on here. The Argentine ants see them. So I like to give it a good spray, just like that, every day, every other day. Alright, let's look into this guy. Here's those buds I was talking about. And you can see the Argentine ants are going crazy for it. So I do not want them to take flesh and have this bud abort. There's actually two there, look at that. So I tipped it 3 months ago. Now it has some buds, that's awesome. Alright, so what I do, I'll just give it a good spray. And almost instantly, you can see it will kill on contact and will kind of just annoy them for a little bit. And then they'll come back. So that is neem oil. Is it effective? I don't know. It works, it will kill on contact, but is it the best solution? I don't think so. So if you have any ideas or better solutions that are organic to taking care of Argentine ants, let us know. Give us a comment, and we'd love some information from you. Alright, have a great day. Take care. Dude, it's creepy.